This quick tutorial explains how to buy shares of Laopu Gold Co Ltd. Laopu Gold is a Hong Kong-listed gold mining company on the HKEX with ticker 6181. HK. This is educational content and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will normally verify your account with an identity document and then add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 6181 HK to find Laopu Gold. Select the HKEX listed result to locate the correct share. Open the asset page to view basic company details and the price chart. Confirm the issuer name and the 6181 HK ticker so you have the right stock. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want, and review the order carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, you can place a pending order or wait for the market to open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will request you to add them before completing the buy. Once the order fills, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the example platform link, check the description below.